Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Classes Learn at a Glance. I am Dr. JP. Today we are going to discuss antidepressants. How simply we are going to learn antidepressants using the book Pharmacology Learn at a Glance. We will see. First of all, we should know what is depression and how does it happen. Depression is a neurological disease of mood caused by the decreased levels of noradrenaline and 5-hydroxytryptamine in the regions of hippocampus and prefrontal cortex of the brain. Next, what should be done or how should it be treated? We should use the drugs that must increase the levels of noradrenaline and 5-hydroxytryptamine. In order to understand the mechanism of action, we must know about the synthesis of neurotransmitters. Most of the neurotransmitters are synthesized by an amino acids. After synthesis, they are stored in the vesicles in order to protect themselves from degradation or metabolism. Calcium influx causes releasing of neurotransmitters into the synapse. In the synapse, they produce their action by interacting with postsynaptic receptors. Finally, the action is terminated by reuptake mechanism or metabolism. Next, coming to the classification of drugs. Antidepressants are broadly divided into two major classes. First one, typical antidepressants. Second one, atypical antidepressants. First, let us discuss typical antidepressants. These are the drugs that increase noradrenaline and 5-hydroxytryptamine either by inhibiting reuptake mechanism or metabolism. What are those? Tin metal. Here it is a mnemonic. All are capital, but we should concentrate bold letters. T, N, M. T means tricyclic antidepressants. N means non-tricyclic antidepressants. M means MAO inhibitors. First, let us discuss tricyclic antidepressants. These are the drugs that have tricyclic structure. What are those? SON, S-O-N. All are capital, but S and N are bold. S means serotonin and noradrenaline reuptake inhibitors. N means noradrenaline reuptake inhibitors. First, we discuss serotonin and noradrenaline reuptake inhibitors. These are the drugs that inhibit the reuptake of serotonin and noradrenaline, thereby increase their levels at the synapse. What are those? Ticket collector aid. I told you, you concentrate only on bold letters. T, C, A, I, D square. T, trimipramine. C, clomipramine. A, amitriptyline. I, imipramine. D, doxepin. One more D, dothepin. Second tricyclic antidepressants are noradrenaline reuptake inhibitors. Example and A, amoxicillin. N, nortriptyline. D, desipramine. Next, second classes of typical antidepressants are non-tricyclic antidepressants. These are the drugs that do not have tricyclic structure. What are those? SON, S square O N, but bold letters are S square N. S, one S, serotonin and noradrenaline reuptake inhibitors. One more S, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. N, noradrenaline reuptake inhibitors. First, let us discuss serotonin and noradrenaline reuptake inhibitors. These are the drugs that inhibit reuptake mechanism of both serotonin and noradrenaline, thereby increase their levels at the synapse. What are those? Avoid. So V and D are bold. V, venlafaxine. D, duloxetine. Second, non-tricyclic antidepressants are selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. So examples are Specify. S, sertraline. P, paroxetine. E, escitalopram. C, citalopram. F, fluoxetine. One more F, fluoxamine. Last non-tricyclic antidepressants are noradrenaline reuptake inhibitors. Example, roboxetine. Next, final typical antidepressants are MAO inhibitors. These are the drugs that inhibit MAO enzyme, thereby increase the monoamine levels at the synapse. What are those? ABN. We know ABN Andhra Jyoti. A. MAVO A. B. MAVO B. N. Non-selective MAVO inhibitors. First, MAVO A selective. Andhra CM. A. MAVO A. CM. C means chlorgelin. M means moclobemide. MAVO B inhibitors. Salicylin. Non-selective MAVO inhibitors. Tip. T. Phenylcypromine. I. Isocarboxide. P. Phenelgine. Next, coming to the adverse effects of MAVO inhibitors. Cheese rich in tyramine, which is metabolized by the MAVO enzyme. When a patient is treated with MAVO inhibitors, tyramine is not metabolized, so that it may result in fatal hypertensive crisis. In that case, the patient must be treated with alpha blockers like phentolamine. Next, second classification of antidepressants are atypical antidepressants. These are the drugs that may or may not increase the monoamine levels, but they have different antidepressant mechanisms. Examples of the drugs are both men, but we must concentrate only bold letters. B. Bupropion. T. Trazodone. M. Mirtazapine. One more M. Mianserin. N. Nefajodone. If you want to purchase this book, the link will be provided in the description. I hope you like this video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.